Hello everyone. So this is my other product which I am launching in the sale, not the apple. So please don't think it's the apple that I'm launching. So this is called as the Shango oil. Shango is again one more of a very powerful Orishas. What does Shango do? It makes you wealthy. It makes you powerful. It also helps in justice because Shango is for all the three. Now there is a way of doing this. Now when I am giving my clients a kit, I give them the oil with 11 of my red candles. That is how I give them. But when you are doing it, first thing is you need a petition paper, a parchment paper, and I prefer my dragon's blooding. Now this is my personal bottle. From this only I actually make these bottles, and then I give it to the clients. And first what you do is you take a parchment paper and you write a petition. Now what petition I can write? I want to earn 10 lakhs a month. That also you can write. I want my case to, I want the verdict of my court case to come in my favor. That also you can write. I want to be the strongest, powerful and the wealthiest man in this world. That also you can write. My business is flourishing. Mainly to become wealthy and for justice in court case. I'm just writing the parchment paper. Yes, one thing. Yes, those who are joining my petition workshop will know how a parchment paper is written, what you do, how you write and everything. But those who are not in the petition workshop, if you don't have a parchment paper, you can also work on brown paper bags. But I prefer if you can pick a parchment paper with a dragon's blood ink, it works more beautifully. And after you write the petition, you sign it at the end. So now I'm folding this towards me because this is something for money related which I have written. Now, even in court case, you want the verdict in your favor. So you please write it and you fold it towards yourself. Now what do we do here? Why this oil, why this candle, and why this apple? Shango loves apple. So we will take an apple, we will dig a hole in the center like this. Okay, we will make a nice hole. First thing we will do is we will put this petition. Now before putting this petition, what you will do is, I forgot to tell you all that, so I just had to open it. You will dab the petition paper with the Shango oil. You can dab on sides. I love dabbing in the center because I love the smell of the Shango oil. So I love dabbing it in the center. And when I'm folding it, I tell Shango that this apple is for him and I'm calling on him, so that he comes and he fulfills this petition. So I put this petition paper in the center and then I use honey. I love using organic honey. I don't pick up the bottle honeys. Even when I make for love jars or the love mixes for the clients, I prefer using this. So now the honey is put in the apple, and then this red candles for that because his favorite color is red. Now why 11 red candles? To do for 11 weeks. You can do it for 11 weeks for best results, or you can start on a day and you can do it every day for 11 days, but 11 weeks better. So 11 weeks will be 11 apples, not the same apple. Okay, so 11 weeks will be 11 apples, and you just fix it like this. Okay, if you want, you can even apply the Shango oil on the candle also if you want. I'm not applying because these are candles which are made by me, so they already are blended with their own oils and herbs. Oils, not herbs. So I will just burn this and I will allow this to burn completely. Okay, whatever is a petition, I will again call on Shango and I will tell him this is my petition. Please help me. Now, after this burns fully, next day morning, either in the crossroads, or if you have a tree opposite to your house, then you take this and you just leave it there under the tree and come. And do this for 11 weeks. I would suggest 11 weeks and not as you start on a day and do it for 11 days at a stretch. Do it for 11 weeks. I am sure in 11 weeks, if there's any wealth related petition which you have put, that will also happen. If there's a court case which is going on, I am sure it's going to come in your verdict and you're going to be happy with it. So I repeat, Shango is done for becoming wealthier and for any sort of justice in court case. I will not be sending the apple and the honey, as I said. I will send 11 red candles and I will send my powerful oil. as a kit to you all, and you can watch this video and then you can do this ritual also. So I hope you all enjoyed this product, and I shall come back with more videos. Do like, share and subscribe the channel, and also click the bell icon so that you will be notified when I bring such beautiful videos also for you all. And may Shango fulfill all your wishes, help you in overcoming all your court related issues, and may you all become the wealthiest people of the world. God bless. Thank you.